In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Canva and start designing with ease. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick and straightforward process, and it's necessary to access Canva's awesome features. Once you're logged in, move your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Click on the plus Create button. This action will reveal a pop-up menu showcasing a variety of design sizes. Picking the right size is crucial for your design needs, so take your time to explore the options available. Next, look to the left side of your screen again. Here you'll discover the For You section. This area is personalized and tailored to your design preferences, and you might find some suggestions that pique your interest. As you navigate through Canva, you'll see options for sheets. These are perfect for anyone looking to create templates for organizational purposes such as planners or trackers. Now, if you're preparing documents, you'll want to explore the Docs section. Canva provides an intuitive space for creating beautiful and professional documents. Another great feature Canva offers is whiteboards. This is especially helpful for brainstorming sessions or laying out ideas visually. For those working on presentations, the Presentations section will be your best friend. Canva provides well-designed templates, making your slides not only easier, but also more visually appealing. Social media enthusiasts will be thrilled with the social media templates available. These are specifically crafted to fit different platforms seamlessly, ensuring your posts stand out. Moving on to the photo editor, this powerful tool allows you to enhance and modify photos directly within Canva, eliminating the need for separate software. Should you want to dive into video content, the Videos section aids in creating stunning visuals. Whether it's for a marketing campaign or a personal project, Canva's tools make it simple. Passionate about tangible goods? The Print Products section helps you gear up for print-ready designs, ideal for business cards, flyers, and more. If you're in need of web design, Canva's Website section offers a selection of easy-to-use website templates. Additionally, if your project requires specific dimensions, the Custom Size option gives you the flexibility to set your parameters. Don't overlook the Upload option to incorporate your assets into your design. And under More, click to find sections dedicated to popular designs, layouts, marketing, and even event planning options. When you're ready, simply choose a category that suits your project and start designing. Canva's user-friendly interface and rich features empower you to turn your ideas into reality. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!